Hello and welcome to my channel. Today what I want to talk about is salts and the different salts that I use in my bath and body care products. Like when I make bath soaking salts or foaming bath salts, Epsom salt, bath bombs, and things like that. So I just want to cover the different salts that I use, how to use them, and I am going to actually color some of the salts. So if you're interested, you're in the right place. Let's get to it. So I just want to go over the different micas and make sure that you're aware of the safety issues for yourself and especially for your customers. So you want to make sure that you really pay attention to that, and then like I do, I just mark it if it doesn't have it. Other companies, what they do is they put it right on the label, which is awesome. Mad Micas is one, there's Nurture Soap, there's other places that you can get micas from. Let's color some bath salts now. So this one here has the chromium oxide, and so when you put this chromium oxide, any mica that has that in it, and you put it in your bath water, it'll make it smell bad. So any micas you're coloring any of your salts or any bath care products that are going in the tub to soak, you want to make sure it doesn't have any chromium in it. This has, and I have trouble pronouncing it, it's fluorographite, and that's right here. And this is okay, it's bath bomb safe, and the reason I know that is because I will leave information in my blog on it, more descriptive information. So this one here, the pink one, or reddish pink, has a soap, a bath bombs, lip, eye area, and general. This one here, since it's green and it has the chromium in it, the chromium oxide green, soap, eye area, general cosmetics. So this one you do not want to use in your bath soaking care products. This one's okay, but you want to make sure you use some poly to help it go down the tub. Now this here, I have it labeled for my sinus shower steamers. The type here is turquoise teal mica. If you are interested in making shower steamers, I'll leave a link in the description below. And this here is a super sparkly mica. Love it. Definitely wear a mask when working with this one. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful though. So this one is for soap, bath bombs, lip, eye area, and general. And this has that synthetic fluorographite in it. Titanium oxide and tin oxide. And the others might have like an iron oxide. So those are okay. So I just wanted to go over the different micas. Okay, so this is 4 ounces of Epsom salts, and that's all I'm doing today. And I might sound a little muffled because I have my mask on. This stuff goes everywhere. So this is a sterling silver mica powder, and this is from Crafter's Choice. And it is bath bomb and lip safe. So this would be really nice even in a lip balm. So I'm going to add just a little bit. This is my 91% rubbing alcohol, and I'm just adding a little bit at a time. This has a lot of sparkles. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, it probably doesn't show. What's that one there? That's a nice gray. That's very pretty. Okay, so this is my poly right here, and I'm adding just a touch. Very, very little. After I get all my salts done, I'm going to mix this all up. So what I'm going to do is warm space mica pearl. That's very pretty. So mix this all around. And I might as well add my poly. Very, very little. Not adding a lot. So I'm going to actually do this one first. I'm going to kind of like blend it up a little bit. That's all set. Yeah, I'm going to put my phone on. Alright, so see, this has clumps. I don't know, you probably can't see that, but this definitely has to be mixed. A dendritic salt. I don't need to add that because this is just Epsom salt and rubbing alcohol and mica poly, so it's not, this will always be free flowing. But if I did have the Dead Sea salt in there, definitely want to put some dendritic in there. And if I had fragrance, because the dendritic salt helps the scent to last longer in your bath salts. So I'm just going to lay these out because I'm making quite a few. But you just let it dry out like this. And then I do have some wax paper underneath. This will dry really fast. Combination here. So that is just the basics of adding the mica to the bath salts and coloring them. So I'm going to shoot a couple more, and I'm not going to talk though. I'll put it on some music. The Kermit green, and I think I just want a green, so I might add a little bit of more shimmer to it, but I still just want a little bit of green. A little bit of green here, raspberry red right here, add a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and that just helps to mix it up, and then my poly. So all my salts, all my colored salts will have the poly just so it helps it go right down the tub. Why you keeping me waiting? Lose trust me, trust me. These are sea salts right here. So this is the large size right here. And then that's the nice big size, nice big rock salts. So these are great for like decorating and stuff like that. And these are great for decorating also, and they add a lot of interest to your bath products. So now I'm ready to bottle these up in my beautiful little jars. And I also have this one here. It's a nice little hexagon one. That's pretty cool. And this is just a catch any. These are really pretty. And see how nice they flow right down the funnel? I wish the camera would actually pick up on all the sparkles and glitter. This will be part of my sea salt and lily milkshake. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really does help to grow my channel, and I want to thank all my current subscribers. And I'm going to put the playlist in here, and that'll be on the bath and the aromatherapy videos. So I have one on making muscle soaking salts, I have one on the foot care spa box, and different products there. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.